before we proceed with the class, may I know if anybody of you has sa man ni, problem has encountered some difficulties or challenges with the posted quizzes last week na ay wala naka-take og quiz or na ay question regarding the quiz. Yes, sir. Go ahead po.
Hello ma'am, good evening ma'am. Ma'am, nalang may concern about sa schedule ma'am ba?
Yes, sir.
Ang ama mo gong klase sa isa ko subject is same sa to ang time sa exams ma'am. So conflict siya usahay.
Ay, isa. Ah, kay ang ako manggong gi-schedule adto kay original na to nga schedule ang MWF, di ba?
Yes ma'am.
WF ang naay klase nga ma-conflict sa atoa. So, sigdi lang sir kanang kanina nga schedule ang ato ang gamito nag-istorya namin ni kuan. Kang Doc Carla, no?
No ma'am, kay Sir
Kang
Baguhin ma'am.
Sir Baguhin. Okay. So, goods ang schedule namo ni Ma'am Carla, ang kang Sir Baguhin ang na-conflict. Sige sir, kanang kanina nga schedule ang ato ang gamiton nga kuan nato. So, naay wala naka-take og quiz adtong last week kay naamoy klase. Ana lugar. So, just inform me katong wala naka-quiz ha last week para makuan na ko ang quiz. So you could take the quiz gyapon. Alright? So, kana na. And also, kindly take note katong classmates ninyo nga wala sa ato ang GC. Na ay dili na ako ma-add. So, I do not know kung saan na to na siya. Ana na na-add na dahil. Ay, wala pa. Ay, isa nga mo ingong si Messenger nga dili cannot be added. Account cannot be added. And also make sure that you are already in our kuan, in our GCs, ha? For a moment, okay. So with that, please allow me to wala di ko nagpaila-ila sa inyo. No, some of you has already been my students before. So I am Genevieve Gabule. So I am with USTP Alubihid. So dito ko Alubihid USTP. Okay. So please allow me to share my screen. Okay. All right. So, may I kindly ask you, please see if you have already, if you are already here in our, ay, temsa, kajut lang. Mag-stop share sa ko ha. Naiisa di ay nga, dili na ko siya ma-invite man good. I will try to, okay. Ako sa ni i-share sa iya ang atuang para makasulod lang siya karon. Forward. Ay. Forward. Alright. So, na siya. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay. Alright. So, kulang kong isa for this section and for this one, I hope complete na ta ani. Okay, 21. Balik mangalan ani. Just a moment. Hindi na ako ganahan kay wala na din ko sa passing aning kuan. Saon anang naimong sulod pa. Ay. Admit. Wala to sa passing ani. Okay. So, B, wala ba nagdubli diri? Sa pikas na nagdubli sa pikas ha. And katong nag-double iyahang name, kindly kuan lang. Select one kung asa ato gid ang imong gamiton nga email, okay? So I will try to email at the same time send a message through Messenger. Kung dili pa ta kompleto sa Messenger, just in case dili pa ta kompleto sa Messenger, okay? 21 wala may nagkuan so goods na ta diri sa kuan sa MWF section. Something needs your attention. Okay, unsa man ni? Unsa di ay nay nag-raise hand? Wala man. $25. So we are 25 minus 1. 24. You're supposed to be 28. Okay. Sige. So let's proceed. Alright. So, classwork. Wala diri. Oh, okay. So, the same gani sila sulod ha. Alright. So, RA 9184 is procurement law man siya no. And ay bagong update ani ako sang pangitaon ha. Or i-assignment na lang nako ni inyo ha. And also gamay ra kayo akong kuan. Wala gani kay koy DO, department order within sa kuan sa DP. So dili ko wala na koy kuan, wala koy access. Except lang sa naa sa online no. Ay sorry. Ala! Unsa ni siya? Guest waiting. Wala siya i-accept ay nganong deny. Time's up. Sabi ayun sa guest waiting. Anit ta diri. Dayon na unsa man ni siya deny ra man gid ang kuan asa man ang manara admit. Ano ka to siyang gikuan to? Okay. So 27 kung naman tagduha. 21 ay tulo di ay 21 plus 8. Okay. So dirita. Wala. Naka-share man ko na okay. Entire screen. Ako sang i-share sa inyo ha. Wala pa na ako ina-upload ang kuano ang kaning ato ang syllabus. Ako untang ibutang ay ang katong notes bitaw unta dayon diri. Akong butangan og kuan. Pero ay kaning link sa notes ba like what I did sa 26 like what I did with the Kosh pero ko kaapas. Anyway, let's proceed na lang no. So we've already so this is Applied Project Management in Public Infrastructure Projects. So this is MEP 551, a 3-unit course offered for the mid-year of school year 2026, 2025, 2026, academic year 2025, 2026. So I am the instructor for this particular course. And then this is my consultation schedule. When every Wednesdays 1 to 4 p.m. online. You could contact me through email or via messenger. By the end of the semester, I'm sorry, by the end of 6 weeks, you are expected to have obtained knowledge on the range of various public infrastructure projects, understand the relevant references needed to manage public infrastructure projects. So that's why ipakuha na lang ako na sa inyo hapon. Ipa-assignment ako compilation sa mga department orders, no? Especially not limited to DPWH department orders because there are other infrastructure projects, no, aside from DPWH which is mostly the implementing agency sa kanang mga infra projects. However, we have NIA, no, for irrigation. Ano sa pa ba? DICT, gakuan gyapon ng DICT, no, gakuan gyapon sila project. I'm just not too sure if we have someone from DICT. And then we also have DOTR. Ay, sa hakan na yung sulit. Okay, isa na lang gid itong kulang. Duha di ay. Ito pa. Okay, isa na lang yun. Admit one guest. Kinsa man ni? Wala na. Ito pa. And we are complete. So we are complete already. Alright, so let's proceed once again. Ito ang ano. So this is our syllabus. Third outcome is that by the end of 6 weeks, you could observe various types of problems, issues, and concerns in managing public infrastructure projects. So this is our course outline. We have the topics here: importance of project management, benefits of project management, public infrastructure projects general overview. So this is already encompassed in module 1 ra kung gikuan ana gingalan ay, pero that's 96 slides, no. So nana diha ni nga discussion. I targeted nga mahuman I targeted for one kana siya nga slides. Module 1 lang akong gibutang ana, no. So that we will, after the midterms, that will be the coverage of our midterms, no, our midterm examination. After midterms, we will have to do kaninang the procurement law, then PD 1594. Okay. So kani siya ang ato ang target na dayon for finals, so that you will have your case study presentation by final exam day gyapon. Sige. Case study presentation gyapon ta by the end of the semester. So by the end of the mid-year term, no. So this is July. In our academic calendar, July 19 to 25 is the midterm, I mean finals. Midterms is this week. That will be next week already. No? Kanisha 29 to 4. However, nakaduha naman ta ka quiz, and then we will have our midterm quiz, no? So coverage of our midterms is basically this one. Kanira siya ang atuang coverage. So this is infrastructure project management's special requirements. Now this is a very common scenario of the Philippines, no? Since we are in a tropical area, we are expecting heavy rainfall. That's why very common in our areas ang flooding, no? Especially diri sa Cagayan, we cannot say nga wala na diri kay gamay lang nga ulan gani magbaha naman ng atubang sa atuang university. No? And then another area nga dali ra kayo magbaha diri sa Cagayan is along the national highway in front of Toyota, no longer Toyota now. SNR. So kana diha nga stretch, no? That stretch of the national highway, inundated na siya when there is heavy rainfall. If you happen to pass by Patag Road, di ko kabaloon sa ngalan anak niya, nga karsada, national highway man ta din. If we are from Iligan and entering Cagayan de Oro City, when somewhere in Bulwa, no, there is a junction there that when you turn towards the left or you keep to the left, you keep to the right, you are entering Barangay Patag, and when you keep to the right along the national highway na din siya. So kung diri sa Patag mag-agi, you will see that there is one bridge in Patag, somewhere near LTO. However, there is no bridge in the national highway except for that bridge along past the corner, ay kung gikan ta og Patag, I mean kanang banga bitaw banga gyud diri sa Bulwa. There you could see a bridge near the place where there are nuns staying. Dili ko kabalo kung convent ba na siya ha, pero naay mga madre diha nga kapuyo beside Pandep. So there is a bridge there. So it's possible nga water running from the bridge, from that, sabi na siya, di man to siguro na to na mga land og river, no? Creek raguro na siya. From Patag, diha nag-flow sa kanang bridge nga beside sa Vandep nga building. However, kana siya nga tributary is there is no bridge nga nag-define ana nga particular nga tributary from Patag crossing towards the national highway. In between the warehouses, no, ay dagko nga warehouse diha, wa kabluon sa nga warehouse. So og gaisano ng isa diha, ambot lang ng uban kung gaisano bagya po na siya. So in between those warehouses, sa ako lang ni siya nga my own opinion, it seems that the area where the creek should have been and it should have setbacks, no? Nawala tong setback, nakipot siya. Pero nagya po'y gihatag sa iyahang area nga agianan sa water, no? But I don't think that that particular channel is enough to receive the water or runoff when it rains diri sa ibabaw, kay it's possible that it is the only drain from the area over in Patag, no? So it could be, it's possible. Wala kay ko nag-study. That's why I'm interested to kuan kanang sa GIS. Ganahan kay I'm interested lisudan ko kapoy nagtuon. Okay. So sakto na to nga chismis. So no, this is very common in our country, no, kaning flood, and also sa transportation nato, grabe ka traffic, no? May gani arang-arang karon ay ganina. Nyawa ko diri sa balay paingon ko office sa USTP. Mga 15 minutes sa siguro to. Pero kadto ra pud ka time no kay di kayo siya traffic ayon niya timing kayo. Pagabot ako kada traffic light, oops, go, go, go. So, dili kay siya traffic. Pero there are really times nga traffic kayo, and presently, according ni Facebook, traffic dito dapit sa Bugo. No? So, murag, kuan lang. Pinaka-experience na ako sa traffic kay mura. Biyahe may from here, from Bulwa to Puerto, Ginoo ko, 3 ka oras, December to. 3 ka oras, no? 3 hours. Mura sa bing nagbiyahe pa ingog bukid, bukid na ito. Uli mig bukid nun. Mura sa bing nagbiyahe. O gikan na og kuan, kagayan pa ingon sa bukid nun. Paita. Ay, namay agianan no diri sa Libuna, pero dili ko master diha. Tunan ko na kay diha ko mag-agi. Diha ko mag-agi na dayon. Paingon ko bukid nun. Grabe kay ka traffic. Pero kuan mo daw na sign of progress, pero we have to manage, no, kay the longer you stay sa traffic, dako man kag magastos. So kung mag-deliver ka og goods, kinahanglan kang dako na ang gastos sa imuhang fuel. And kung ang imuhang goods perishable, dako kaayo og possibility nga di siya moabot sa iyahang padulngan nga fresh kay na stuck in traffic. So, the solution of these problems are infrastructure development involving public utilities to improve the quality of life. So basically, unsay purpose nato nga maghimo ta og infra to improve the quality of life of the people. So some examples of these projects are the Metro Rail Transits or MRT, LRT, Mindanao Railway Project, which is already started but sugdan na gid siya, no. And then we have NLEX. I can remember nga pag-graduate na ako, pagka-engineer na ako, year 2000 na, nang-apply din ko diri. Diyosa! Nang-apply din ko diri, pero wala man. Walay ingon nga, wa ka na dawat, pero obviously, wala ko nila ato dawatan, no? Kay it would take another 25 years for the project to start. So, posible mo itong wala sila yung sakto nga hiring. And then we have here the NLEX Harbor Links Segment 10, New Clark City, New Bohol Panglao Airport. We have the new airport in Bukidnon, no? Ganahan kay ko dito. Kay ulra unya ni mahal ang ni kuan, no? Ang worth sa mga lot dito nagtaas siya, no? And it's a sign of progress para sa area near the airport. So several changes are taking place on how these projects are implemented. So we have, if you know some more, please tell me ha, kay ora po niya akong nabalaan. Public-private partnerships using models such as the build, operate, transfer, no, BOT. Very common kaayo ni siya. And then we have increase in size and capacity of projects, consortia, joint ventures, strategic alliances. Um, when I was with a construction company before, kani mean joint venture. So it's a joint venture ang project kay mahal niya. Ikuan din siya, nag-JV dayon ang tulo ka contractors. And then we have rapid entry of new entrants and rapid corporatization, and then improved practice of project management, improvement in productivity, quality and delivery capability, mega project financing both within and outside the Philippines. So kato amo apong project, it is funded by JICA. So it's actually an RRNDP, Rural Road Network Development Project. So kana siya, no? And then what are examples of infrastructure projects? We have roads, um, power plants, telecommunications facilities, airports, seaports, um, gas and oil pipelines. Wala ni siya sa atuan. Pero let's dream. Kaya naman tayo malampaya. No? So let's dream. And then we have the urban facilities. So this is very common, housing facilities. Characteristics of infrastructure projects: it has huge stakes, time consuming and cost overruns, issue of the ownership, labi na ng mga BOT na, and then multiplicity of agencies, so daghan agencies involved. So how do we go about this? Yun sa natong identify ang atong infrastructure needs. So we will have SWOT analysis. Very common yun na siya sa management, no? Project management approach and issues involved, and then application in construction industry. So we have the role of materials management, IT, and then supply chain orientations, I mean. Ano nalibasa ani B? So let's proceed with the reasons of cost time overruns of central government projects now. So we have fund constraints, law and order matters, land acquisition. So kani very common jud kayo ning kuan no? Sa road right of way, sus Ginoo ko. Ay, pastilan jud kaayo, mag-ugtas jud kaani. Slow progress in areas other than civil works, delay in equipment supply, environmental clearance, labi na nang magsugod na, bisag wala pa'y ECC. So others, what are these? We have proper technology selection, award of contract, delaying civil works, geomining, court cases, inadequate infrastructure support, bad weather, very common kining bad weather sa atua, and government clearances. So we have here an example of a SWOT analysis. Unsa man siyang SWOT analysis gani sa management nato, no? We will identify the strengths, the weaknesses, and then the opportunities and the threats of the project, and we will weigh. So a project management approach to infrastructure. So if we have a project, it is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product or service. In project management, it is the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to to project objectives to meet stakeholders' needs and expectations. So project management looks into the management of time, its scope of the project, and the cost of the project. So a project is a non-routine, non-repetitive one-off undertaking with discrete time, financial and technical performance goals. So naa siya'y targets, no? Ang project na ay targets. Knowledge areas in PM, we have scope management, time management, cost management, quality management, human resource management, communications management, risks management, procurement management, langay ra bagay kayang procurement, no? Integration management. Project management context, so we have the project phases and the life cycle, the stakeholders, leadership skills, general management skills, and communication skills. So for project phases and life cycle, we have to divide the project into phases so that we will have better management control. We could easily review deliverables and performance, and we can look at fast tracking. So these are the example of project phases. We have the conceptual design, detailed design, coding and testing, training and documentation, and then the deployment. The stakeholders, we have individuals and organizations actively involved in projects, and then interest affected by the project. So key characteristics of PM approach, we have the systems approach, multifaceted or multidisciplinary approach, focuses on delivery, timeliness, flexibility, cost as performance characteristics. Now, PM has a set of tools and techniques, and the list is expanding with the increase in the complexity of the business. So, typical characteristics of a construction project. We have a finite horizon and the associated transient involvement of the firm contracted to execute the project. So, transient ang atuang contractor. Kabaluta, nga naani nga project, then ang atong contractor, pabid mo nato, no? So, dili nato siya, dili kay isa ra siya. No? And transient, so pwede sunod nga project, dili na siya. No? Otherwise, parehas itong sa amo gikuan siya supplemental parehas sa amo parehas itong when I was involved when I was still working in a construction firm, gihimong supplemental project sa dako nga project ang kadtong naay gamay nga project nga musumpay sa karsada, no? So nahimong supplemental project. So the unique nature of many of the equipment materials and then the drastic impact of materials shortages. So we have here the project process. You have the conception, the planning, implementation, and the completion. So basically, kasagara sa ato diri na kita mosulod sa implementation, no? lang din siya, no? The role of materials management in a project, so construction project, so concept and feasibility phase, estimate costs of major items, develop list of vendors, estimate availability and lead time of critical items. So especially no kung kung naka-try gyud o kanang ang project is sa una pobre man na to among contractor. Usahay kay dugay moabot ang simento, dugay ang delivery, walay diesel, grabe ka. Piki kay nga problema sa kuan no sa kanang project implementation. Pero tinuod siya gakahitabo siya. Bisan gani aggregates usahay mo dan aggregates. Kay wala na bayra ng supplier dili mo kato patay. Okay, so we have here the planning phase contribute to specification of requirements, evaluate contractor bids, prepare project procurement plan of execution. So, diri sulod ta diri no kanang during sa bidding kasulod ta. And also kani kung naata sa planning nga department sulod ta permanente diri. Pero mostly sa atoa naata sa implementation. And then the design phase, expedite design on long lead time items, work with engineers in timely development of specific equipment and materials. And then we have construction phase, check when installation of key equipment is possible and know how it will be handled. Influence construction schedule when appropriate. And then commission phase, dispose of the surplus, ensure availability of spare parts, operating and maintenance instructions. Informational role of material management. So general information on lead times, supply sources with associated lead times, development of new sources, information on new equipment and material. Imperatives, so we have the significant cost of materials, invisible cost, complexity due to various alternatives, implications on delays, and customer supplier chain everywhere. Um, nahisgutan din namo ni sa PICE no during atong as there was a time no katong during the start of the war between US and Iran. Grabe kataas no niabot og 150 ang fuel and sa PICE murag daghan kay kontraktor na mga kauban nga kuan gyud kanang moingon jud sila nga mahal kuno kaayo. Sabot og kamahal ang project because sa fuel which is wala na bagid na siya sa item, no? Wala na siya sa item. Pero our equipment will not run without fuel. So siguro giapil na siya sa kuan no, dili ko kabalon sa unang dupa. So compute. Pero siguro apil na sad na siya no. Pero ato yung hunahon mahal gid kaayo adto ay ang fuel halos ni times 3. Wala na ba ni uli no? Sa 60, 50 to 60 wala na. Nagpabili na siya nga 70, 60 to 70 may lang og tinuod ng 9 pesos ang rollback next week. Ug 9 pesos 60 gapon kapin patay. Lisod siya no. Ang kaning cost gyud no dako kay siya og ako siya nga variable sa atuang projects ang cost. So a total concept involving an organizational structure unifying into a single responsibility for the systematic flow and control of material for identification of needs through usage and accounting of the same. No? So dapat hibalaan yun nato ang in and out sa atuang materials. So materials represent a major expense in the project. So example of this, minimizing procurement or purchase cost presents important opportunities for reducing cost. However, not to the detriment of the strength of our project. No? So, kuan magaling ta mag daginot manggaling taayo po nato i-compromise ang integrity sa atuang project, no? Asa man pud ta magdaginot ani. Siguro daghanon na tog palit no, daghan kag supla, daghan ang imong paliton. Ka-discount man ka. Di kay ko master ana sa purchasing. Ilahan ng forte. Pero we could, no? Makapangita ta og kuan kanang pamaagi para ang atoang material cost is maubos-ubos siya gamay. However, not to the point of compromising the integrity of our projects. So, importance of purchasing is a multidimensional function comprising of acquisition of materials required to support the project, procurement of capital equipment needed for development projects, and then procurement and upkeep of public utilities by adequate material support. So makadumdum jud ko sa una no nga schedule nimi og buhos. Dili ni kabuhos kay wala diha kuan. Wala diha diesel or wala ni abot. Digo mo abot lagi tong siminto karon. Wala ni abot ang siminto, patay. Patay jud. No? Experience sa field. Decisions about material procurement may also be required during the initial planning and scheduling stages. So, for example, activities can be inserted in the project schedule to represent purchasing of major items such as elevators for buildings. So, example lang na siya ha. Isudsad no, o pag-start sa project, magpalit na ta diretso, nanay elevator diyan, nag-abang na siya daan. So, ato siyang i-timing, no? So the availability of materials may greatly influence the schedule in projects with a fast track or very tight time schedule. Sufficient time for obtaining the necessary materials may be allowed. So muna siyang i-recall na po nato itong atuang early start, early finish of activities, no? Dito sa atuang musagay na siya sa atuang kuang kanang maghimot ta o mag-program na ta sa work na to, no? At times, more expensive suppliers or shippers may be employed to save time. So, muna siya, no? Mugasto ta to save time. Ay, per CPM. Oh, thank you. Nakalimot. Mura ko ba nagtudlo? Mura ko ba nagtudlo og per CPM? Kalimot. Early start, early finish. Ay, pastilan, salamat. Laoy go brain fog jud ko ay may klaro. Naulaw ko. Okay. So at times okay, nawala siya no kanang mogasto ta para mogasto tag mahal para makasave tag time muna siya ang ato ang gipalit ang time. Mura siya inana siya nga logic no gipalit nato ang time. Gasto ta kanirang ato kay walag mahal basta madali ta. So muna siya no nata nga logic nga inana. So typical benefits, improve availability of materials, may reduce craft labor cost, reduction in project delays, enhancement in productivity, reduction in storage cost, reduction in chasing and firefighting. So mo na siya no kung nana ang atong materials, tuloy-tuloy ang ato ang trabaho. Kung wala, pass mo. Concerns. So we have the poor material management may result in large and avoidable costs. So first, if materials are purchased early, capital may be tied up and into experience gid ako ni kanang gikawat ang mga kabilya. Kay gipatimbang, kay na nasilduan ang mga tao, Ginoo ko. Paita gid kaayo no. Ito nga project sus dito ko nakataon og kaon ka ng santol. Bukid-bukid magudto ka ng hilaw nga santol balami hindi na siya utanan. Isagulag utan. Pero mga Tagalog mo itong mga kauban. So, ano, master, kasi na sila kuan, na sila mga luto-luto, mga kuan. Kanang, lahi sa ato. So, kung naay Tagalog, dili, lahi sa to sila. Ang katuloging santol, nagibutangan, og kamunggoy, lami, ang pudi, eh. Among kancho to before, okay, magtuon na gitaani, og tula sa G1, kaya, may sildo-sildo. Na, kuan na siya, no, live sa abot lang ko mo pa baka na karon sa una man to. Muna akong naagian. Abot lang ka kung na mo pa baka na karon no. Anyway, wala ko na construction in may strata. Okay. So, second, delays and extra expenses may be incurred if materials required for particular activities are not available. So, obviously, madelay gid na, no? Like, dili man to siya delay itong amo na nombra. Pero gamay na kayo ang sobra, no? Ang mix ng good siya sa mixer. Nagigamay gid nga nabilin. Ay, pastilan sa diya mo ang PM kay palabay raan ng kilid na mura gid siya kisses do. Mura siya nga kurma sa kanahulog kay mura siya kisses. So concerns, cost of materials and cost on materials. Now, timely delivery so as to have smooth flow and avoid project delays. And then we have service-centric approach. So service, typical cost of purchasing, packing cost, transportation cost, insurance premiums, cost of receiving, inspection cost, material handling cost, loss caused by scrap, rework, or inventory carrying cost. Kanino ka nang natay loss caused by scrap mo nang kung maghimo ta og kuan cutting list dam ayuhon gid nato nga ang isa ka length why waste walay waste inventory carrying cost and then cost of paperwork. So objectives of materials management: support operational requirements, manage the material process efficiently and effectively, select, develop, and maintain sources of supply, develop strong relationships with other groups, support organizational goals, develop integrated strategies that support organizational goals. So, kada part yun sa ato ang company no, naagi siya yung role. Dili lang kay usara, we cannot be we cannot have a successful project implementation kung wala tayong mga support services, no? Si implementation kato si construction group mo gina sila ang pinaka bida. Pero ang atong bida kung walay support group na magpabida-bida na sila diya. Paita na bagay ni magpabida-bida ma-fail. Wala may support no na sige bida na kaya to ang kuan goods na kayo ilang performance daw bi kinahurot man ang kuan siminto no wa kabuhos wala erase ang bida-bida. All right, so types of materials, examples from construction projects, we have bulk materials. Sa una sa una wala oy feeling kinagutigulang na kay ko bitaw katong trabaho ko sa construction sa una dili pa man uso tong ang kuan kanang concrete mix maski mahal gid kayo ang mahal kayo ang concrete mix pero karon kung ato siya bintahon dili na gid siya no kanang mas maka-safe ka like nag-istorya mi ato isa ka contractor during our meeting sa PACE chika mi akong gikwenta ma'am kanang istorya ka ng kuan lang professional nga exchange of ideas kung gikwenta ma'am yan siya na mag-mixer na lang ko kay mas kuan ka ng mas convenient gamay ra dog diferensya ang presyo kung siya magpatrabaho adto pero Kung ingon na ka magbayad sa mix na, then ilatag na lang nimo na diha. Dito na lang ka adtunay kung naay gamay nga diferensya ang convenience imong gipalit, no? Then kapoy ba na no mag-set up kag imuhang like what we did no dito sa project naman, nag-set up ni og batching plant. Mag-occupy kag area nga dako para sa imuhang mga aggregates. Dayon ngita pa mi adto og butanganan sa simento para dili mabasa kay bukid man to amo ang kuan, dili siya bukid kayo pero in the bukid. Agoy kung mag-ulan na nakagingan man gani ni mga simento kanang naa sa bottom. Kana pa baka ang Hinuong madaghan ako dili nato isulod to siya og kuan container van. Ito siya nga project ng kuan man to amo ang contractor dito kung nasudlan kay kuan siya Manila based siya. Okay. So standard off-the-shelf material, example for this one is standard piping and valves required in chemical processing. And then we have fabricated members or units, steel beams, columns for buildings, or pre-processed in shops. So kanang itaod na lang, no? Nakuha na nimo, na-fabricate na, nahimo na, itaod, i-plaster na din pag-abot sa site. Scope of material management. We have materials, requirement planning and control, purchasing, inventory control, receiving and inspection, transportation, material handling, disposal of materials, and value analysis. So, importante kayo ning receiving and inspection, no? Kay, si construction, nag-request og didusi, ay niabot, ginoo ko, China. Nahimot ko atong nag-renovate mi sa balay ba. Sige ko tagkuan ka ng didusi nga kabilya kay mo gigamit na mo og latag sa kuan kana bitong sukalo. Gamay ra gud kay nga wall gid basta ra gud kanang sa balkon ra pa. Natalawan man ang engineer di. Butangan gid ang sukalo didusi. Pagpalit sa akong bana nangutana daw ko ng kanang standard sir or China? Day. Ginoo ko. Pastilan no? Na day na karon. Standard China. Then kuan man namong gigamit kanang rectangular nga section ba? Iko nga kanang 2 mm ang thickness 2 mm ba to 3? Basta kay gipangutana mi kung standard ba. Hala, uy, ka-joker ba ani? Uy, ingon ko sa kong bana, sunod, magdala tag caliper. Uy, kadlok ba? Definition of procurement activities. So we have identify, re-evaluate needs, define and evaluate user requirements, decide whether to make or buy. Isa po siya ka-point, no? Maghimo ta or magpalit na lang ta. Identify the type of purchase, conduct a market analysis, identify all possible suppliers, pre-screen all possible sources, evaluate the remaining supplier base, choose a supplier, receive delivery of the product or service, and then make a post-purchase performance evaluation. Muna siya ang ideal, pero businessman na kayo, contractor karon no kay hala, sister company nila ang gipalitan sa ready-mix concrete. Ang gipalitan sa mga kanaang, say for example, construction bitaw nga kuan, materials, say like kabilya or unsa pa niya. Uy, construction ilahang kuan, ilang sister company. No, grabe no ang money naglibot-libot ra sa ilang company. Okay kayo. Bright. Business is business. Uy. Sorry. Ito mo ni akong nakuanan akong na observe. Item procurement importance. We have distinctives, vertical sa matrix no. Item isa. Ito ayuhon na ma-plaster siya. Oops. Tabi. Okay. Okay. Padako gamay. Ay, hindi siyang dako eh. Alright, sige, ani na lang. Item procurement importance matrix. So we have here a matrix, no? So we have here on the left side, we have the risk, and then the on the y-axis we have the risk, and then at the x-axis we have the value or profit potential. So this phase is divided into four. So we have now a 2 by 2 matrix composed of the distinctives, criticals, generics, and commodities. So unsa dining distinctives? Mo ni siya ang high risk, low value, engineered items. Criticals, high risk, high value, and unique items. These are also items, these are also items that are critical to the final product. Generics, low risk, so naha, low man diri, low risk. Pag diri na kasi babaw, high risk. Kung diri ka, low value, o basta ka nga diri, high value. So munang diri, ang critical nimo is high risk, high value, or high profit potential. No? So kung diri ta, taas ta og kuan diri. Ginansya. And then, commodities, low risk, but high in value. So basic production items, basic packaging, and then you have the logistic services. Reasons to hold inventory: meet unexpected demand, meet variations in customer demand, take advantage of price discounts, hedge against price increases, and quantity discounts. So we have types of inventory. You have the raw material, work in progress, maintenance, repair, operating supply, and then finished goods. So factors contributing to high inventory: surplus inventory, sobra tong inventory, no? Surplus siya. Difficulty in disposing of items, no scientific policy, difficulty in standardization, ineffective powers of delegation, frequent modifications, ay kanig. Sorry. Awayo na sa dakos po. Kanigid si Foreman. Kanigid si Foreman. Mahilig yun modify si Foreman. Sorry. Katawa lang ko. Iaway ko ni Foreman sa una. Okay. So we have upgradation of technology, hence items become obsolete. Mao na siya problema gid nato karon ug di na gamiton. Factors contributing to high inventory: we have inability to predict the consumption patterns. So kana no dili nato matan-aw kung kani kinahanglan ni siya karon or next pa ni siya kinahanglan, so di sa nato no kana siya no. So munang balik ta dito sa ato ang per CPM. Unsa may unahon nato palit kay kani magbase ani nga activity. So per CPM gigadala ani og kuan tika bida ang per CPM. Inability to decide on critical or non-critical items, balik na po ni per CPM. Overbuying of items. Ako, kuan nino kanang guilty ko overbuying of items, labi nag naka-sale. Oy, naka-sale ang kabilya dito, palit tagdagan. Few suppliers sending items in more than desired quantities. So, naay sobraan ang quantities. Improper organizational structure and lack of control. So, possible options for managing projects. We have selective inventory control, use of inventory models, standardization, vendor management, lead time management, use of IT, and then supply chain orientation. So selective inventory control, we have prioritized items on some logical basis. So balik na sa tuang per CPM. Prioritize managerial efforts, monitor and control selectively. So we have here the Pareto chart, no? So this is the ABC of analysis: vital, few, trivial, many. So on the y-axis, we have the percentage of the dollar value or the money value, no? And then here is the percentage of items. Mo ni siya, no? Kung mahal, kung gamay ra, tsuk, mahal. Dayon, magkaanam na din na siya og samot og mahal. Pero, ang magkadagan po ang atoang item. So, this is the Pareto analysis. Person is si Pareto, ha? Naputoy isa nga dirihay magkaubos po siya ana. Si Pareto ana. So selective inventory control, ABC, based on price and volume of use. VED, vital, essential, and desirable. FSN, fast, slow, and normal. HML, high, medium, low. HDE, scarce, difficult, and easy to obtain. Golf, government, ordinary, local, and foreign. So multi-unit selective inventory control, Music 3D analysis, consumption value, high value versus low consumption value, lead time, long lead time versus short lead time, criticality, critical versus non-critical items. So what should we do? Classify and analyze items in the above categories and review them periodically. So kada no ato ang lantawon kung unsa siya high value versus low consumption value. So high value siya pero gamay ra ato ang gamiton. And then long-term lead time kanang dugay mo abot o dili moabot. And then ang iyahang critical ba siya or non-critical nga item. So that's multi-unit selective inventory control. Decisions based on purchase quantity, follow-up, tighter procedure and systems, safety stock, average inventory, power delegation, information systems, and consumption norms. So these are actually based on application of value engineering, development of new sources, reporting, central purchase and stocking, delegation of authority, planning, vendor rating, and forecasting. Use of inventory models. So we have the trade-off between inventory carrying and ordering costs. And then basic issues to address, when to order and how to order. No? So, mo na lang ni imong materials. Magbuhos ka ginani nga length. Kanusa pa maka mag-order? Kanusa man ka mag-order nga dili ma-compromise ang imuhang schedule. So, balik dito sa PERT CPM nato. Economic order quantity based on models and then computerized models. Standardization. Objectives of standardization. So, munining ato ang ISO. No? So, facilitate in international exchange of goods and services, to develop mutual cooperation in the sphere of intellectual, scientific, technological, and economic activity. Benefits to manufacturer, we have the trader, user, society at large. So benefits of standardization. Diri na lang sa tataman. Sa Thursday na punta magtiwas para mahuman na to ni tiwasan to lang. Supplier management ta last na to. No? Okay. So benefits of standardization, we have helps in having a common platform for communication, interchangeability of items and sub-assemblies, etc. And then facilitate the process of documentation, reduces inventory. All right. So we will continue our discussion for the material, and we will start with the supplier management. And as I said earlier, this will comprise our midterm. Naatoy case study, mag-post ko og instructions sa case study ninyo tomorrow siguro. Kamulo pa kong himo. So thank you for the reminders. Kamulo pa kong himo. And then another nato nga additional nga assignment will be kadtong mag-gather ta og mga kaniang orders, especially pertaining to construction. Okay? Sige. Ang isa na to appeal naman na siya, no? Appeal naman ng safety diha. Alright? So, stop presenting sa akong kadyuta. Ayun. Kulang tag-isa gid ay. Mag-screenshot sa ako ha for attendance. And with that, char. Screen. Thank you very much, no, for joining our class. Kajut lang. Aha. Asam ni siya na ako ikutan. AR. Sa kajut lang kayo. BC 55. Ay. Okay. So, once again, thank you very much for joining our class. I'll see you on Thursday. Okay? So, isa ko mo enjoy your weekend. Okay. Nay, kuan? Nay! Ang singalan ani, kanang wala naka-take og quiz, mag-schedule ta. Ha? So, email or PM lang kung kuan. Kanang naay wala. Kay mag-schedule lang ta. So, if you could do that within the week, magkuan ta. Mag-schedule ta. Yes. Go ahead, ma'am. Ay, sir. Yes, sir. Wala, dili ko kadungog sa imo, sir. Ay. Sige, so inform nila ka kung ano questions sa Q1 o sa Q2. So, ako na kung ikuan i-send sa inyo ang results. Dayon, midterms din nato. Okay ra Saturday next week at ang midterm, pwede na siya. Wala na conflict. Okay, thank you. Online lang dito. Online lang dito. Kems, sige. Dayon, from time to time, can you look at your kung ano natin yung samay na ako i-report sa inyo. Kinahanan ng gagawin sa vlog yun. Pinagulog ka na, no? So, wala lang. Sige. So, luwalay mo out. Bye! Enjoy your dinner. Thank you very much. Thank you,
ma'am.
Uy, dili na ko mo reklamo nga kuan. I-call ko ninyo ana, charot. Paso na ko, char. Bye.